Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and gathering essentials: your Blink camera, sync module, a TV with HDMI or smart app capability, and 4 GHz Wi-Fi. Open the Blink app and make sure the camera is added and live. This creates the stream you'll cast. Once done, decide whether you'll use a smart TV app, a streaming stick like Fire TV, or a casting device. Each method requires a slightly different setup. Make sure firmware and app are up to date before moving on to pairing with the TV. Now you link the Blink stream to the TV. If using Fire TV, enable the Blink skill in Alexa, discover the device, then use the Alexa app or voice to show camera live feed. For smart TVs with a Blink app, sign in and choose the camera view. This gives native controls and better latency. For Chromecast, mirror your Android device or cast a Chrome browser tab from a PC to the TV. This method streams the app's video but may add delay, so test responsiveness. Finish by optimizing the experience. Position the camera, tweak motion sensitivity, and confirm the live view fits the TV aspect ratio. If you see lag, reduce Wi-Fi congestion by moving the sync module closer to the router or switch to 5 GHz for other devices while keeping Blink on 4 GHz. If the feed fails, reboot the camera, sync module, TV, and router, update firmware and app. Then retry a different casting route, often switching from mirroring to...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.